Hi, my name is Grace. I'm a pharmacist here at Town & Country Compounding Pharmacy. And today I have these two handy tools that can help you squeeze your eye drop medication with ease. One is auto squeeze and one is auto drop. This is how auto squeeze looks like. It's just kind of looks like wings. And I have here some lubricating eye drops to help show you how to assemble. All right. So right here in this chamber, you're just going to be fitting this into the keyhole. It'll clip right in. Remove your cap, and you go ahead and just squeeze when you're ready to administer. It's that simple. Looks like this. It's a chamber. You're going to be unclipping it right here like this. And there is a little neck here that should fit. They're compatible with most eye drops. It should click on right there. Actually, this one will click on a little bit further. You hear that? And then this will close and also clip on the side here. And when you're ready, there is a pinhole here so that you can just kind of look up and look into that pinhole when you're administering. This will be covering your eye and make sure this little portion is touching your cheek. And this will help the right amount get into your eye, right where it needs to be. It's not going to be running down your cheek. You're not going to miss your eye. And these tools are really good for, it saves a lot of waste and a lot of waste and loss of your perhaps expensive medication. And so these are very good tools that you can actually use together. And people love this. Sometimes it's very hard to squeeze these small bottles, and it's very hard to get, just 1 or 2 drops into an eye when you need them. So we carry these extra, accessories, and if you'd like, you can just ask any of our pharmacists or patient care representative, and we'll be happy to, include it in your order. Thank you.